Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here with Life with Grandma Bev. And whew, I just did, and you're not going to believe it, I did a walk-a-mile video. Bob's golfing, so I thought, okay, perfect time to make myself look like a fool. And I did the whole, it's a 15-minute one, I did the whole thing. So now I'm hot, I'm kind of cooling down. I thought I'd do this video. I was going through my closet again the other day to get rid of some more shirts, and I ran across this. This is a Vera Bradley, what do you think it is? Travel jewelry holder. Now, I haven't used this for several years, so I don't remember what's in here, but I thought, well, rather than open it up and go through it, I'll go through it with you guys. See what you think. So let's see. I mean, it's the cutest little thing. There's no little pockets on the outside, but it's got that cute little handle. You know, and it fits in a carry-on very easily. So you open it up, and it's, look at that. I'll show you all the compartments. Like, you know, right here, this little, oh, there's something in it. See what I mean? See what it is. What the heck is this? I guess you put it this way. Oh, when you put it the right way, it's a kitty cat. Let me see if I put something solid behind it. It's a kitty cat pin. Isn't that cute? My mother must have given that to me, or somebody who knew I really liked cats back then. Then here's a watch. Gosh. It's an old watch. I don't know if it was like my mother's. It was a Pulsar. Probably doesn't work. Then here's a necklace. That says Faith. Oh, there's the mail. And Bob's got the car with the mail key in it. So it says Faith on one side and a cross on the other. Now, I don't know where this came from. Michelle, if you remember, can you help me out? So that's all that's in that. We'll go to the other side where there's a matching one. See if anything. Oh, nothing in that one. Okay, so we'll go to the first little zipper compartment. Little see-through. This is one of my favorite necklaces I have had for years. And I usually take this on cruises because it usually accents some of my tops for in the evenings. You know, we want to dress up a little more than just wearing my t-shirt and capris. So there's that one, and then, oh, I thought there was another one. But the next one in here, let's see what this is. Oh, this looks like some kind of a cheap thing I must have bought because I thought it went well with what I was bringing. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it on. I usually have to have Bob get these things on and off me. Oh, got it on. Whew, I can smell the metal in my nose. What you think? What you think? Okay. Whew, that smell. So that empties that one. And the next one, we've got, oh, that's unzipped. What's in here? Oh, what's this? Oh, I know what this is. This one I recognize. My daughter has a way of finding the cutest bracelets for me sometimes. Now, I don't wear bracelets except when I'm on trips. But isn't that cute? Look at all the kitties. And let's see, how does this one hook? Maybe, oh, I see. You just hook it like that. Boy, that's pretty small. What? Wait a minute. Did it break? Maybe it broke. Oh, I think that's what it is. It broke. So it looks like another one went on here somehow. But she found the neatest little way that's a lot easier. Well, now this just came off. See, they're pretty old now. But this, you push it, and it's supposed to be easier to get on. Or does it go like this? Yeah, see, now it's a lot easier to get on. But it's broken. I don't see how I can fix it either. It's not like I can just hook it on with a little loop. That must be why I put it back in the bag, because when it broke, I wanted to save it. Boy, my hands just reek of that metal from this. Sorry, Michelle. I know, several years ago she got me that. So that was in that one. Then there's one of those little things here, like I guess you can put rings all around, you know, unsnap it, put rings on. And then we'll turn it this way. And we've got on this side, where's the zipper part? Oh, it's already open. Okay. Oh, this has got two little ones. So that'd be good for like a little earring. And this is a pretty bracelet. This is one that a friend of mine from Yuma made. And a lot of the earrings I wear, ouch. A lot of the earrings I wear were made by her. This one, no, this one's not. But I thought that was cute to wear, like 4th of July kind of thing or something. And that's it. Oh, that's it. Well, now it's, oh no. Here's another spot I missed. Let's open this one. And here's the other necklace part to this one. So see, you can either wear it alone, this one, well, either one alone, or wear them both together, and then you get that effect. But I don't even want it. I think I got this at years ago. I'm talking years ago. They used to be the jewelry parties. I don't even remember what kind they were. You know, and you go to people's houses. Hello. And I think I ordered it back then. I mean, way back then. Then there's this cute little... Ow, jeez. I'm really moving weird doing this. Okay, this, I know who this was from. This is a cute little bracelet. It's from, well, it says daughter on it, but that means it's from my daughter. And it's got all these little charms on it that are from the Beverly Cleary books. These teeny books. Isn't that cute? What was this one? I can't see it. It's too little now for me to see. This one was Ramona and her mother. Appropriate. And then this one, oh, the Trolley Car Family. Did you ever read the Trolley Car Family? Maybe that's where I got my ideas for wanting to live in a motorhome. I don't know. But I thought they lived such a cute life. You know? So that's what this one is, the Trolley Car Family. And then this is the part, oh, here's the mother part. It says mother on it. And this is the daughter. Isn't that cute? Cute. Oh, let's see, this needs to move down here. Okay. Okay. This should still fit me. Yeah, isn't that cute? A little different. Of course, you know who got it for me, my one and only daughter. So any of the cute little things she finds for me. So, okay, now that is it. That is it. So, what'd you think of this old jewelry stuff? I don't know if I'm going to use that on my trip. It depends on how much stuff I end up bringing, but I got to go wash my hands. Of course, I'm going to smell it. I got to take it off. Oh, okay. This is going to go in. I don't know if anybody wants used jewelry, but I'm getting ready to give a big jewelry giveaway thing from all the jewelry I got from, I can't get it off right now, from that one box I had gotten. And I don't know if you guys want me to stick in some of this old stuff. Who knows? Maybe it's gold. I don't think so. So comment below. Share. Enter. Subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, all of a sudden today, I hit 800. Blew my mind. So I'm preparing a giveaway for 800, and I know the main thing is going to be something that you all really liked when you saw me open it. So I'll be showing that in the next few days when I get it together. I hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.